The modern dream of online business is to build a highly profitable storefront without ever physically touching or manufacturing a single product. But the reality of traditional dropshipping is constant friction. You spend your days fighting supplier stockouts, tracking down missing inventory, and replying to endless "where is my order" refund requests. Then there is the secondary trap of building a store from scratch. Staring at a blank website layout and figuring out categories kills momentum before you even launch. In 2026, wasting weeks trying to form out a blog design is a direct loss of market share. You need speed and agility to actually capture traffic. Inventory logistics and zero-start website builds are the exact reasons most e-commerce beginners fail. Surviving requires a completely different structural approach. That bypasses a pre-built Ecom Chief organic beauty store. Ecom Chief is a platform providing ready-made online businesses and apps with full ownership transfer. This hands you a credible, ready-to-publish foundation on day one. This flowchart shows the core difference. It operates on an affiliate model. Your responsibility is driving traffic, while Amazon absorbs the physical boxes, shipping routes, and returns. Because shoppers trust Amazon's verified checkout, you drastically increase your buyer conversion rates. By swapping dropshipping for the Amazon affiliate structure, you bypass the friction of operations, allowing you to buy speed and focus entirely on generating revenue. The clean beauty market is estimated to reach the tens of billions in 2026. Consumers want safer, simpler ingredients, shifting organic beauty into a highly lucrative, trust-driven standard. This diagram shows the routine multiplier. Beauty shoppers buy entire product systems. A cleanser click expands into a serum, moisturizer, and SPF, protecting skin from ultraviolet rays. This multi-item cart behavior spikes your AOV, the average order value, maximizing commission. To capture this, you shift away from writing broad news articles. Instead, you strictly publish SEO shopping guides that capture high buyer intent. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, the process of improving your site to increase visibility in search engines. You distribute these guides through the modern pipeline. You use short-form visual discovery on platforms like Pinterest and TikTok to funnel users back to the long-form blog posts where your affiliate links live. The organic beauty niche naturally engineers larger basket sizes, effectively turning a single piece of content into a compounded passive revenue stream. This generated image shows the exact infrastructure you receive to eliminate setup drag, a professionally designed, mobile-friendly storefront structured specifically for high-converting listicles. The site structure arrives pre-aligned to clean beauty shoppers, featuring optimized niche categories and an easy publishing flow built around shopping intent articles. You also get starter growth guidance. This includes a complete launch pack with an SEO blogging framework, short video scripts, and content templates for your pins. Ecom Chief provides verifiable platform trust, with a track record of over 247 successfully transferred businesses and a 5.0 rating based on nearly 4,000 customer reviews. Acquiring a thoroughly optimized pre-built asset shifts your starting line from month zero directly to launch day, eliminating tech headaches and preserving momentum for growth. The ultimate objective is owning a true passive asset that scales without the burden of packing boxes or answering customer emails. Clean beauty demand is actively compounding, and the window to capture it is through the done-for-you Amazon fulfillment model. Click the link to secure your ready-made organic beauty Amazon affiliate store from Ecom Chief. By replacing operational friction with a turnkey asset, you move directly to the growth phase, building a sustainable income stream without the typical tech and logistical delays.